الله وبركاته. الحمد لله وكفى والسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى. أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ومن يقتل مؤمنا متعمدا فجزاؤه جهنم خالدا فيها وغضب الله عليه ولعنه وأعد له عذابا عظيما. وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم من قتل نفسه بشيء عذب له به يوم القيامة. Organized by Jamia Islamia Ishaqiya Kazlapar Jatrawari Madrasa first year competitions honorable present for today's Jalsa. My beloved teachers present and to all students who are thirsty for knowledge. I wish you a rose from my heart. Dear brothers, the subject of my speech today's jihad. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam man qatala nafsahu bi shay'in udhiba bihi yawm al-qiyamah. A person who commits suicide by that type of qiyamah will be punished in that way. Therefore, today's sacred organizations that are propagating jihad by minister-spreading Quran and Hadith is not jihad. They are not jihad mujahideen. They are not martyrs. There is a murder. There is a suicide. But this does not mean that jihad is not jihad. Jihad is anything of Islam. The jihad was, is and will be. Ibrahim alayhi salam jihad was Namrud. Musa alayhi salam did was against Firaun. Our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam jihad was against was infants during his 23 years of probably he himself led 27 battles. Inshallah we will also jihad is what British we are respect from this country. We are also expel the enemies is of Islam. Remember this is an Islamic state. Here is the order of a Muslim will country. The country not run according to advice of any infidels. Dear brothers, that all for today we will again one day in some inshallah. Thank everyone. Stay home, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.